Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best LG air conditioner at 14,000 BTU, the LG LW1223HR. It's a powerful window AC unit with a smart feature set, quiet operation, and dual functionality that will keep you comfortable all year long. Let's begin by setting the scene. Imagine a hot summer afternoon, the kind that makes even a fan feel useless. You walk into your room, pull out your phone, and tap a button. Within seconds, the cool breeze kicks in. Through the Think app, you can control every function remotely, from turning it on or off, adjusting temperatures, changing modes, or scheduling operations. And yes, it plays nicely with your smart home setup. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so if you're already lounging and can't reach your phone, just use your voice. Now let's talk about capacity. This model boasts 12,200 BTUs of cooling power and is engineered for rooms up to 570 square feet. Think master bedrooms, living rooms, or medium-sized studio apartments. It's powerful enough to transform a sweltering space into a cool oasis within minutes. This is a year-round solution, especially if you live somewhere with mild winters and need a bit of extra warmth. Looking at the build, it's got a clean, modern design in bright white with an LED display that's easy to read and navigate. The unit fits snugly into a standard window frame and doesn't look bulky or outdated. Installation is straightforward, and everything you need comes in the box. That means you can change the settings from across the room without leaving your spot on the couch or bed. Plus, the 24-hour programmable timer is a game changer. You can set it to cool your room just before you get home from work or warm it up just before you wake up. It's the kind of automation that quickly becomes something you can't live without. There are multiple fan speeds, 2 each for cooling, heating, and ventilation, which gives you a lot of flexibility in finding that perfect comfort zone. And if you're worried about noise, don't be. This unit operates quietly, making it a great option for bedrooms, home offices, or even nurseries. Another underrated feature is the auto restart function. In the event of a power outage, the unit automatically resumes operation with your previous settings once power is restored. It's a small detail, but in real life, that matters. In terms of energy efficiency, it offers a SEER rating of 11.6. While that's not ultra premium, it's solid for a unit in this performance class, and the dual functionality of heating and cooling gives it even more year-round value. One thing to keep in mind is that this model runs on a 230 volts outlet. That means you'll need a compatible socket, so double-check your setup before buying. Now, as far as dimensions go, it measures 22 inches deep, 23.63 inches wide, and 15 inches high. It has a capacity of 3.5 pints, making it suitable for moderate dehumidifying alongside cooling and heating. If you're living in a medium-sized apartment or home, need a reliable year-round unit, want smart features, and value quiet operation, this LG model is hard to beat. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one of the most balanced when it comes to features, build quality, and performance. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a product deep dive here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and stay cool or warm with LG.